My name is Chaitanya Khedekar. I was interning with Epcos India Private Limited in Nasik, and currently I am going to work with Neilsoft Limited. As I was a mechanical engineer, I could see myself 5 years down the line only up to managerial level. So my decision taking capability was really restricted. So I decided, I need to learn the corporate traits, which I couldn't do otherwise if I had only, remained as an engineer. So HR and organization development subjects like these taught me how to cope up with the difference in different cultures. So that was really important. When I decided to, completely go offset from operations to sales, because during my third phase internship, I was into sales and marketing at Epcos India Private Limited. There I was doing customer satisfaction survey, wherein I had to listen to customers' complaints, find out their problems, what actionable things can be done from company's point of view, how can we give them or provide them better services. This is something that I learned during my third phase of internship. That is where my listening skills came into picture. We came to know that Neilsoft is going to come to open placements in the month of November. So I had made up my mind then that I saw the company profile, I saw the job description, and I liked it at the first instance. Profile really excited me because it was giving me international exposure. At IGTC, when the journey started, 6th of August 2014, I really never thought that I would be so expressive. Because what it does is that no matter from whatever background you come over here, the kind of exposure you get over here is completely of a different level altogether. You learn, you implement, you learn, you implement, and this process goes on till the end of the course. So having hands-on experience along with the theory part that you learn at IGTC is very rare in today's scenario. And I think, this is the reason why I think everyone should come at IGTC. Now I'm more expressive, I'm more fearless, I'm more dynamic. I have the ability to take decisions, something that I have developed in these 18 months. And I would really like to thank everybody who's played an influential role in my life.